children. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Myself, Shahnaz from Goshala, Mumbai Public School. Okay, student. Before we begin, let's say a short prayer. Now, students, join your hand and close your eyes and repeat after me. Dear God, thank you for a lovely day. Please go before me and clear the way. Thank you for guiding me. Thank you for protecting me. Thank you for all I need. Thank you, God. Now, students, slowly open your eyes, rub your palm, and place it on your eyes. Again, rub your palm. Yes, fast, student. Very good, and place it on your eyes. Again, do it. Yes, it's morning now. We are feeling cold now. That's why. Yes, good. Okay, now student, today we are going to learn an interesting topic. Okay, student. Before that, first we will see today's date. Today's date is 30th Jan 2021 and it is Saturday. Today day is Saturday. And thought for the day, an apple a day keeps doctor away. Means every day we should have one apple. Okay. And subject is English. And our topic is robotics. Okay. Now, student, first I would like to ask you few questions. Okay. My first question is, who saves our time in daily life? Yes. Can you tell? Who saves our time in daily life? Which device save our time in daily life? Yes, students? Yeah, machine. Very good. Machines, right? From morning, your mom is doing a work in home. You are seeing that so many machines are there. Yes, machine. Machine saves our time in daily life. See, machine. At your home also, so many home appliances are there. It's a machine, na? Okay, machine. Example of machine, which machine we use in our daily life and saves our time? Mixture grinder, right? If you want to make a juice, your mom is making in mixture grinder. If you want to eat something spicy, then mommy is mixing it and making na mixture grinder. Every morning mommy is using this na. Yes, mixture grinder. Next is what? Which machine? Yeah, same. Yes, good. Washing machine. Yes, you are washing clothes now. Yes, morning, your night, whatever dresses are there, mummy is putting washing machine. Now, if mummy will wash with her hand, it will take time, na? This washing machine saves our time, na? Yes, good. Next is oven. Oven, you're making your food now. Cake and all, you're baking it now in oven. Yes, very good. Okay, student, these all are machines. Okay, and this saves our time. Okay, with this, in a less time, we can do our work. Okay, these are machines which saves our time. And because of this, in a small little time, also we can do our work. Now, my next question is, name a smart machine. Yes. Now, can you tell which is a smart machine? Yes, student. Yeah, computer. Computer is a smart machine and we can store information in this. Okay, computer. Very good, student. Computer. At, at your home, maybe some of you are having computer or some of you have seen in your school. Yes, laptop, computer. These are smart machine and this we can store lots of information. Okay, student? Yes. So today our topic is on machine only, but this machine is little bit different. Okay. So today our topic is on machine, but this machine is little bit different, and this is robotics. Robotics means robot. Okay. Robot is a complex man-made machine. These machines are made by we, human being. Okay. These machines are not made by God. These machines are made by us. Okay. And this can perform many tasks what human being do. Whatever tasks we are doing now, this robot also can do the tasks. Okay. And they are built with a computer program. These robots are built with a computer program, and this is like a brain of it. Okay, that programs now, it is a brain. They give that program only command a robot to do this, that. You have seen the movie Chitti. In that you have seen na, that robot is working. Yes, now we will see features of robot. What are there in the robot? Features of robot. Okay, features of robot. You like no Robert? When you are seeing movie, you are thinking na, ki, okay, we should also have one Robert so that our homework will be less and we can do. Yes, very good. Okay, student. Okay, Robert are man-made complex machine. These are man-made complex machine. These are man-made. These are made by man. We human being have made this Robert. God has not made. This is a machine only. Like these all machines are there. Same way, Robert is also one kind of machine. Okay, it is a man-made complex machine. Who made this? Who made Robert? Yes, we human being, man made this machine. Now these robots are made of which? Okay, it's made of metals and plastic body. Their bodies of metal and plastic. Okay, in their body mostly we can see now in that some metal and plastic. Okay, so has a metal and plastic body. Okay. Now see, this robot can do boring tasks again and again. Whatever work we are giving to them, now they can do continue. They are not getting tired. We are getting tired now when we are doing 1 hour, 2 hour homework. Then we are feeling, yeah, we are feeling so much tired. But this robot never get tired, and he can do boring tasks again and again. Okay, student. Now see, has a sensor. In these robot, they has a sensor. Okay. Now see, sensor means what? With this sensor, like eyes and nose, now he can see what is in his surrounding and he can perform his work very well. Okay, he has a sensor. Work on order. Whenever we are giving order, now Robert is doing work. Okay, work on order. Robert, they are working on order. Okay, they are doing whatever work we will give them. Now Roberts are doing. They work on order. Work on order. Never get tired. Never get tired. These robots are not getting tired. They are fully charged. How we are feeling tired. We are doing little work and we are saying, no, now we will take little bit rest. Mommy, homework is more. Let me have a half an hour break. But this robot never get tired. They are very much energetic. Means they are the machine. Nah? They can work. Is a non-living thing. This robot is non-living thing. It's not living thing like we human being. This is a non-living thing. These robots are non-living thing. Now this much you understood na student? Again I am revising to you. Okay. Who saves our time in daily life? Machine. Okay, machine which are at your home only you are seeing, not in big factories, not anywhere else. At your own home you are seeing this whole thing. Say mixer grinder, washing machine and oven and many more. Iron are there, so many things are there. This machine saves our time. Okay, because of this machine we can do work in less time. Next, smart machine. Smart machine is computer. This store so many lot of information, and whenever we need it, we get from computer. So same way, robot is also one kind of machine only. Okay, and it perform work automatically. See, this is the features of robot. Robot has man-made. Robots are man-made complex machine. These robots are made by man. We human being has made this robot. No God. God has not made this because this is a machine. Okay. Has a metallic and plastic body. In this robot, there are metal and plastic body. They are made with metal and plastic body. Okay. Can do boring tasks again and again. Whatever tasks you are giving now, he will do. He will not say, no, I don't want to do, because it's a machine. Okay, now has a sensor. Because of that sensor, like how our eyes and nose is there, we can smell and we can see. Same way, he is having sensor. With that sensor, he perform his work. Never get tired. Robots are not getting tired. Okay, and it's non-living thing. These robots are non-living thing. Okay, student, you all understood this much? What is the meaning of robot? What are the features of robot? And this is also one kind of machine. There are more information about robot which we will see through PDF. Okay, student, please give me few seconds. I'm sharing you PDF. Now see, student, we have seen lesson number 31, robotics. Okay, this chapter is about robots. In this picture you can see clearly what is robot. Okay, now your concept is clear. Now what is robot? Now see, who saves our time in daily life. See, in this so many picture I have. See, iron is there, washing machine is there, mixer grinder is there. Okay, student, you can see at your home beater is there and oven is there. So many things are there. Vacuum cleaner, this all are at your home. Okay, these are also one kind of machine which help us to do work, and it saves our time. Okay, student, now see mixture grinder. Because of this mixture grinder, in olden days our granny, they were so much time it was taking to have make a spices, but in because of this mixture, in a few seconds we can make a mixture of anything whatever we wanted. Okay, now name a smart machine. Student, you have seen a smart machine. Yeah, we have seen also, and you know also what is a smart machine. Yes, computer. Very good. Computer. See, in this computer is a smart machine. Okay. See, in this picture, with picture, you can see what is a smart machine. This is very important, where we can mail to each other. We can store so many information in this computer. Your result we can make on this. Okay. This is called a smart machine. Okay. Now, see, student, we are going to learn about robot. Robot is a complex man-made machine that can perform many tasks that human beings do. Robots are students, some tasks that that are dangerous or difficult for human being to do. So robot, I will see some tasks which are dangerous, which we can't do. Example, we can't go in fire because our body can burn. So same way, robot are made for this dangerous tasks which human being can't do. Okay, so that they can perform the task automatically. This robot, they can do the work automatically. When we give them command, they can perform the task automatically. See, whenever we are giving command, now this robot, they can do their work automatically. Robot may be operated by remote control. Like robots can be operated by you are sitting in your hall, in your bed, in your sofa, and you are operating your TV with remote control. Same way, you can sit anywhere and you can operate this robot also. Okay, now see, student, robot has built in a computer program. This program is like the robot brain. These robots now, they are built in a computer program. Okay, and these are like robot brains. Okay, But student, robot cannot think on its own. He will not think of it own whether it is good or bad, whether it is wrong. He will just perform his work because he is not having feeling. He is not like us human being. So he will not think whether this work is right or wrong, this is good or bad, I should do or I should not do. He will just do his work. Okay, like human being. Huh? Understood? Robert has a computer program and it's like a brain, and he do the work, but he will never think that work is good, bad, right, wrong. He will just perform his work. Now we will see a meaning. Okay, now we have seen complex. Complex meaning is what? Made up of many parts, small parts. Okay, in robot we have seen that it's man-made complex machine. Same way, complex, made up of many parts. Automatically it's on its own without needing a person to operate that. Means this robot can work on its own. No one will be there then to this robot can work. So automatically means without help of person it can work. Operated, work in a particular manner. Operated means work we are giving and that person is doing work like that way. It's called operated. Okay, robot can do robot can learn and do only what the computer make it possible for the robot to learn and do. This robot only can learn and do whatever computer has said him. He will not learn extra more than that. He will not see the nature and he will learn nothing. He will learn in whatever in his program is there. Okay, understood, student? Robot can do boring tasks again and again without getting bored. This robot, he can do whatever work you are giving that 10,000 time also he will do. Okay. So robot can only do which is in his program. Okay, student, whatever in his program, this robot can do that only. He will not do beyond that. Okay, he will not learn what is there, what I should learn, good or bad, nothing. Whatever in his program is there, that only that robot will do. Now see, Robert, Robert, Robert can work in a dangerous place where human being cannot go or alive. See, Robert can work in a dangerous place where we human being can't go. See, in this fire we can go or what? No, we will go to, we will get burned. See how Robert is standing in this picture. You can see now with fire also no cause to Robert anything. He is perfectly fine like that way. So you also have seen movie Chitti, है ना student? You all have seen the movie Chitti. Yes, you like now that movie? Yeah, very good. In that movie, it's shown that with only one command at a perform this robot perform all his tasks automatically, and in that movie he also saved the life of people who are stuck in the fire. In that movie you have seen now he saved the life of the people who were stuck in fire, where the people were stuck in the fire. So with this robot can work in a dangerous places. Now we will see the meaning. Remote control, a device that allow one to operate a machine from distance. Remote control meaning is what? A device that allow to one to operate machine from a distance, from far away also we can operate that machine. Okay, mood, the way a person is feeling at a particular time. Mood means person is feeling out, means sometimes we feel sad, sometimes we feel happy. So mood is what person is feeling at a particular time, whatever we are feeling like that way, it's called a mood. Device, object or equipment, object or equipment that have been designed to do a particular task. Whatever work is given means it is a device which object or equipment are designed for particular task. Means the washing machine is designed to wash the clothes. Mixture grinder is designed to grind the spices and all. Okay. Same way this device is what? Which is robot is also made for particular tasks only. Okay. Now see, robot has a mechanical parts of a body. This robot's parts of mechanical. They are not like human being. He is not having heart, brain, lungs. No, this his part is of Mechanical part. This part enable the robot to move or perform certain action in certain way. Because of this part only, he is perform this part enable the robot to move and perform work. He is moving, his body is flexible. He can perform certain work also because of this part. So these parts are like pipes. What are these parts? Pipes, tubes, cylinder, wheels, gears, etc. join in this part. Okay, student. These robot parts, these mechanical parts of bodies are pipe. These are pipe, tube, cylinder, wheel, gears are joined in a particular part. So this part help the robot to move or perform certain device. Also help the robot to move, to hold, suck, to sweep work. So student, this part is moving, mainly designed for suitable purpose. See, these parts now, they are designed for suitable purpose. Now see, robot has a sensor or device that inform it about the surroundings. See, he is having sensor, like he is having eye, like we are having eyes, like same way they are also having eyes and all, and with that he can see the surrounding. He knows about the surrounding. Now we will learn the meaning. Snoop, to pick up something using a spoon like devices. Scoop meaning is what? To pick up something, anything to pick up, like using a spoon device. See, in this picture you can see it's looking like a spoon in his hand. This is called Snoop. Okay, within his, it's a Snoop type. Sensor, device that can react. Sensor meaning is a device that react to light, heat, pressure. It react to light, heat, pressure. Relevant, closely connected to the topic one is interested in. It means one, it is closely related to the topic, whatever topic is the example. We are reading about robot, so it's up in machine. With machine we come to know robot is also having some kind of machine. He's also some kind of machine only, so closely related to the topic. Okay, student, some robots are designed to look like human beings. See, some robots, they are looking like human beings. You have seen Nine movie, Chitti. He is looking to like same way like hero only, na? Okay, so no one can guess he is hero or he is a robot. Okay, like same way, some robots are designed to look like human being. They are looking like human being. Same, see in this picture also you can see this is robot, but it's looking like human being. Okay, all living thing, any other living thing also we can make like a structure of it, like the any human things we can take and we can make a structure like for robot. Or they may given other suitable shapes. We can give them other suitable shapes also. But student, to design like human being or suitable shape, it require lot of hard work, skill, imagination. To design this robot, na, we are not this way only we can make robot. We require lot of skill, hard work and imagination. We should have so much imagination how to make a robot, what will be the design, what will be his program, for what program we can make this. Like that way we can think so much, and we should have so many imagination in our mind how to make which part, which device to fit, where he can work, like that way. Okay, to design and build robots, to design and build robot, student, would you like to build robot when you are grown up? Okay, student, would you like to build your own robot when you are grown up? Yes? Yeah, okay. If you want to build your own robot when you are grown up, yeah, if you wish for that, you have to study a relevant subject. Whatever subject is related to the robot, you have to means mostly the science only. And also good imagination. For this, you have your good imagination power. You should know how to imagine and what to make, like different structure, like that way. Okay, student? Now see, robot is a machine. Okay. Now, first only I have explained you, robot is a machine that does the tasks without the help of person. This robot can do work without the help of person. He does not need anyone. He can do alone only his work. Many people think of robot as a machine. People are thinking whether they are robot or they are people. We can't make it out because they are same like human being. Okay, in cartoon also they are showing na, robot and all. Yes. Okay, many people think robot are machine that look and act like people. They look only, they are acting like people also. They are, we can't guess it whether it is a robot or human being. Most robot through do not look like people. Some robot, they are not looking like people. Okay, but then too they are robot. And robot do only what a person has built them to do. See, this robot will do whatever we have built them to do. Whatever program is there, that only it will perform. He will not think it is good, bad, right, wrong. No, he will not guess of his own, because whatever in his program is there, whatever in his brain means program, that only he will work. He will not work beyond that, because it is designed in a particular manner. Okay, now student, here is your homework. This I am explaining you, and you have to write in your notebook with answer I am saying you. Okay, now see, the body of robert is made up of. Okay, the body of robert is made up of what? Okay, dash, electricity, mechanical parts, blood vessel, batteries. Okay, now student, can you guess what will be the answer? What, how the body of a robot is made? Yes, guess. Very good. The robot body is made up of mechanical parts. Which part? Mechanical parts. This robot body is made up of mechanical parts. Like I have said you, first only his body part is made up of pipes, tubes, cylinder, wheel, gears. Okay, these are all mechanical parts. These all are mechanical parts. Okay, student. The dash of robot can be compared to the eyes, ears, nose, etc. of human being. With what we can compare that? Yeah, eyes, nose, etc. of human being. With what we can compare? Yes, tell student. Sensors. Very good. What will be the answer? Sensors. The sensors of robot can be compared to the eyes, ears, nose, etc. of human being. We can see this with the help of sensor. We can compare with the eyes, nose of human being. Robot can learn and do only what the dash make it possible for it to do. Okay, computer program, remote control, shape, brain. So what will be the answer? Yes, computer program. Okay, robert robot can learn and do only what the computer program make it possible for it to do. Okay, this robot can only learn and do whatever in his program is there. He will not learn beyond that. I have said you first also, whatever in his program, that robot will do that work only. Okay, student. Now see next. The dash in a robot enable the robot to perform certain action in a certain way. Okay, with what the robot is performing in a certain action in a certain way. With what? Mechanical parts, remote control, cylinders, hand. So with what? Yes, mechanical part. With this mechanical parts only. See, in mechanical part, pipe is there, gear is there. Okay. See, in mechanical parts, pipe is there, tube is there, gear is there, wheel is there. This This all enable the robot to perform certain action in a certain way. Because of this, he can perform his work in a certain way. Okay, student? Yeah. Dash is the robot's brain. Remote control, built-in computer program, batteries, cell. What is the robot brain? Yes, very good, student. The built-in computer program. Okay, whatever in his program, it's a Robert Brain. This is Robert Brain. Okay, student? Okay. The built-in computer program is the Robert's brain. Whatever in his computer program, it's like a brain only for it. He is doing with that only he's performing his work. He's not doing beyond that. Whatever in his program is there, Robert is doing that work. Okay, student? Understood? Filling the blanks? Yeah. Now we will see opposite word. Possible, impossible. Possible, impossible. What is possible? The opposite will be impossible. Okay, the meaning of possible is which we can do. Impossible, we can't do. Example, Robert can't have feeling. He can't think what to do, what is right, what is wrong. Complex, simple. Complex, Robert is a complex machine. And at home, which our machine is the iron and all, that is a simple machine. Okay, so opposite of complex, simple. Boring, interesting. Boring, interesting. Boring means we are getting tired, we are getting bored. Interesting, we are watching some cartoon, we are watching some nice movie, so we are getting interesting. Okay, understood, student? Now write a list of mechanical parts of robot. Now we have to write the list of mechanical parts of robot. What are the mechanical parts of robot? Okay, first only I have discussed, but then too we have to write it. Pipes, tubes, cylinder, wheels, and gears. Okay, pipe is there in his body, tubes are there, cylinders are there, gears are there, and wheel. These are all mechanical parts of robot. Okay, student, these are mechanical parts of robot. You have to write in your notebook. Now see, pick out the features of robot and those of human being and write their names in a given column. We have to pick out the features of robot and those of human being. What are the features of robot? What are the qualities and all of robot features, and what is of a human being? We have to write it. We have to differentiate it. Can do boring task without getting bored. Who can do this boring task without getting bored? Yes, Robert. Very good. Who can do? Here will be Robert. Okay. R I am putting that means Robert can do this boring tasks. Okay. Can do, can work in extreme dangerous places. Who can work in extreme dangerous places? We have seen in picture also. Yes, in fire also Robert can go. Whatever dangerous places is there, Robert can go. Robert, very good. I'm putting now. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Here is Robert. Here is also Robert. Capable of making this discussion. Who can make discussion? Who can say this is right, this is wrong? Robert can think. Robert can take for his decision what to do, what not to do. No, human being, we human being can think it what is right and what is wrong. Okay, capable of thinking, who can think? Yes, we human being can think. Never get tired, who is not getting tired? Beforehand only I said you, yes, Robert is machine, and so Robert can't get tired. Okay, now see, has mood and feeling. Robert is having mood and feeling? No, he is so machine. Who? Then human being. Very good. Human being is having mood and feeling. Get tired and makes mistake. Who is getting tired and making mistake? Yes, we human being get tired and we can make mistake. Robert can't because he is so perfectly a machine. Has a metallic plastic body. Who is having? We are having metallic plastic body. No, Robert. Robert is having metallic and plastic body. Has a sensory organ. Who is having sensory organ? Robert. Very good. Is a non-living thing. Who is non-living thing? Robert. Okay, student, these are the features of Robert and human being. Now see, in next page, I have showed it features of Robert and qualities of human being. Okay. Now see, features of Robert can do boring tasks without getting bored. Robert can do boring tasks again and again, and he is not getting bored. He is not getting tired. Okay, can work in extreme dangerous. Robert can go in fire also. He can work. He can jump from building also. He will not get any of damage. Okay, in extreme dangerous place also Robert can work as a sensor. These robots are having sensors. Okay, work on order. Whatever work we are giving, we will give order that Robot will work. They will do their work. As a metallics and plastic body, these robots are made with a metal and plastic bodies. Okay, never get tired. They never get tired. This robot never get tired. Okay, is a non-living thing. These robots are non-living thing. They are not living thing. They are not like we human being. God has not made him. So this is a robot. This is a man-made thing. So this is non-living thing. We can't say it is a machine. We can't say he's walking. He's looking like us. So he is living thing. No, this is a machine. Robot is a machine. It's man-made. So we can't say that it's a living thing. So is a non-living thing. Qualities of human being. What are the qualities of human being? Capable of thinking. See, we human being are capable of thinking. We can think. Okay, we can think, we can feel, we can cry, whatever we have feeling. Has moods and feeling. We have feeling of becoming happy. We have feeling of sad. We are feeling sometime crying. We are feeling sometime um means enjoyable. So we has a feeling. We human being has a feeling. We can think also, we can dance also, we can think this is right, this is wrong. But Robert can't think what is right and what is wrong. Has sensory organ. We are having sensory organ, eyes, nose. We can see the world, we can observe the world. Okay, capable of making discussion. We can make our own discussion, what is right, what is wrong, whatever thing is there we can think and we can do. Means example, something we are doing wrong, we are writing some answer that is wrong, so we can think and we can correct it. Or when we are thinking, no, no, if we are doing something wrong, so we can make a capable discussion, no, this is wrong, we should not do. Same way Robert will not think whether it is right, whether it's wrong, just he will perform his task. Has a brain and life. We human beings are having brain and life. Okay, we are having brain for thinking and life also. Get tired and makes mistake when we are not feeling well, or when we are tired, we are doing mistake, we are not able to write properly, we are feeling boring. Like example, 1 or 2 hours we are sitting and writing, so we are feeling so much bored, so we are thinking, no, no, let's take a break. But Robert never get tired. He can do whatever work you are giving continuously. Okay, we is a human, is a living thing. Human being, we human being are living thing. We are made by God, so we are living thing. Okay, student, now you understood features of Robert, qualities of human being. Okay, these are all features of Robert. What are the things in Robert? And qualities, what are the qualities of us human being? Okay, understood? Robert, yes, Robert is a man-made complex machine. Okay, and it's a non-living thing. This is a machine. This can work automatically. Whatever command we are giving, that Robert will do. Whatever is in his computer program, that Robert will do. Okay, student, understood? This is a man-made machine, and it can perform so many tasks. Whatever you are saying, it can go and work in dangerous also. Okay, I know that student you like very much Robert. When you are seeing movie Chitti, you are thinking when we will grown up, we will also make some Robert, and we will say that Robert to do our work. Okay, yeah. Okay, for that we have to study, we have to work hard, then only we are capable of making a great Robert. Okay, student, and we human being having a power of thinking, we can think, we are capable of making discussion. Okay, we feel tired and we do mistakes also. Okay, student, understood today's topic about Robert? Yes. Now this whatever I have given you, see from here, complete the following. You have to write in your notebook. Okay, English notebook. Okay, this is your homework for today. I have discussed with you all, but then too you have to write in your notebook. Okay, answer also I have given you. Okay, student, this all is complete the following. Okay, then after that, opposite word you have to write in your notebook. Write a list of a mechanical parts of the robot. What are the parts in robot that we also, then features of robots and human being, qualities and features. See, features of robot and qualities of human being, these are all in robot and human being. Now understood? Okay, student? Yes, thank you.